to talk now about some of the concerns over the cloud. Research has shown there are 5 main areas of concern preventing visitors from using cloud-based services today. We want to address each of these concerns and dispel the rumours and myths. The first one is security of data. Data is stored in secure data centres. Our data centre we use has extremely good physical security. It's an ex-MOD nuclear war bunker, so it's 30 metres below ground level. It's got 3 to 5 metre blast-proof thick walls with 6-ton metal doors. So it's quite a secure physical location. It's one of the most secure locations in Europe. Virtual security is also very good. Any transmission over the internet you should be using Ssl Encryption, which is a similar technology to what's used for secure payments and online banking. Virtual security also includes intrusion prevention to ensure that only you and the correct user should be accessing your system and your data. One of the biggest sources of data locks and leaks actually come from misplaced sticks, stolen laptops, unsecure internet connections, and less than honest employees. In reality, the data is actually more secure in the cloud than not. Internet speed and connection. Using a hosted desktop service, you're not transmitting data over the internet, so there's no need for a fast, expensive internet connection. In August 2012, Ofcom found that the average internet speed, i.e. ADSL, in the UK is 9 megabits, with city locations higher than this, and speeds increasing all the time with government-backed investment. A 10-user accounting practice uses on average a 1 megabit internet connection when accessing a hosted desktop service. If your internet connection does fail, or if you have issues with your connection, it's more than likely a cabling problem or a fault on the line, which can be easily rectified by contacting the line providers. Also, there are several options if your connection does fail completely, such as a dongle, 3G, or working from another location. Location of data. People are concerned that they don't know where their data is stored. Our answer to this would be check out your supplier before moving to them. Ensure you know where your data is going. Under the Data Protection Act of 1999, storage of data remains the responsibility of the data controller, i.e. you, the accountant. So you must ensure that the data processor, i.e. the cloud provider, maintains good practice in terms of security. What all this means in reality is that you need to check that your data is being stored either within the EU, or if not within the EU, then it has a safe harbour provider certificate, for example the States. The next one is cloud provider. It's really important to do your homework before moving to any cloud-based service. A good provider will give you all the assurances you need about their systems, about how they operate, about where they store your data before moving to them. Do they provide support? Are their support team technical? What do they charge extra for? Are there data centres and are you storing your data in the UK? What is their disaster recovery procedure and business continuity plans? What's the lock-in and contractual periods? What's their SLA and downtime record? All important questions that a provider should be more than happy to talk to you about. Another concern of the cloud is changing the way you work. A less than tangible concern, but nonetheless one that we come across, the change of fear factor. Staff worry that it will change the way they work. Business owners worry that training will be required, costing time and money. A hosted desktop looks and feels and behaves the same, so there's no need to worry about these concerns. A business can move to a hosted environment with no retraining required. IT staff fear redundancy. Sometimes this is inevitable. However, in our experience, we found the IT manager welcomes less time spent on IT maintenance, allowing more time to spend on planning and strategy.